Year! Fella is joining us with Chewbacca and with Chubby Bunny today. Say hi to the folks at home. Okay, well let's get into this snack crate. Husband has a bit of a cold, so he's not going to be joining me this time, but maybe next month. Which one is it? Oh, I think it's Australia. Again? Yeah. Oh, I wonder if that's very common. Well, where's the little thing? They forgot to give me a little pamphlet this time. How very strange. Let's try these Twisties cheese things. I think we've tried them before. They look a little bit familiar. Oh yeah, these are the Cheeto things. I still like these. Ooh, these look good. Allen's pineapples, no artificial colors. They look like little gummy snacks. Ooh. Smells really good. Oh, they're all stuck together. Very good, but very chewy. Next, let's try these original, authentic French fries. Proudly Australian made. Oh, they're so tiny. They're like little shoestring potato French fry things. So tiny. These are good. My brother would like these a lot. These are good. Oh yeah, these pizza things. Arnott's Shapes Pizza. Oh my goodness, it feels like forever since I've seen you guys. So good to be back. Well, for a little while at least. You probably won't see me again until February, but I'd love to see you then. That was really good. I still like those. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Allen's Fantails? I think that's what this is. It almost looks like chocolate, but since I don't know what's in it, I'm not going to eat it since I have a coconut allergy. This is a Cadbury Caramel Chomp. It's a monster chew. So based on that description, we're gonna skip this because I don't want to mess up my braces. But if you're looking for a great place to make your smile even better than it is now, head over to Bailey Orthodontics in Colorado Springs. Okay, this one's called Nestle Milo with milk, source of fiber. It looks like it's like a protein snack bar, cereal bar, based on the fact that there's a guy running. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Definitely just looks like a cereal bar. It's like a Cocoa Puffs or maybe a Cocoa Fruity Pebbles or whatever that's called. Kind of a cereal bar. Never been a really big fan of those. Violet Crumble. I actually remember this one from last time. It was a little bit tough to chew, so I'm gonna leave that one for my husband. It was really, really good though. Next, let's try this thing called a wagon wheel. I don't think we tried this last time. I saw something in there about marshmallow, and that sounds delicious. Almost looks like a giant Oreo. Oh. This one's really good. You bite into it, it's really soft, kind of chewy. I'm saving this one for later. Tim Tam Fingers. Let's try this one. Oh, perfect. It broke off. I am pretty sure that we can get these here in the States, because I think my husband told me about them and they are really good. I highly suggest these. Chocolatey, crunchy, good stuff. The last thing in this little box is called Milky Way. It's chocolate whip. Won't ruin your appetite. If I remember correctly, I think I said this one tasted a lot like Three Musketeer bar. So if you're an Australian visiting the United States and you love Milky Way, look for Three Musketeers. Thanks for joining me for another Snack Crate unboxing. I'm so glad to see you again today. I've missed you guys. Let me know what your favorite Australian snack is down in the comments section, and I will see you next time. Bye!